never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. CMS, having spearheaded the field of education for over 2 centuries, is now focusing on building a new model of sustainable campus. The incredibly complex challenge of sustainability calls for a multitude of solutions and ultimately a fundamental shift in how we live and consume. Educational institutions have a pivotal role to play in leading positive change by both inspiring the next generation to be considerate towards the planet and by incorporating environmental best practices into plans for institution success. Hearkening to the call, we have embarked on our journey towards environmental, social, and technological sustainability. Our commitment towards this ethical cause has backed us the Green Champion Award by the Ministry of Education, Government of India this year. This title is conferred on CMS for its proactive commitment towards a cleaner environment manifested in various green initiatives. The strategies we implement are not short-sighted but rooted in our long heritage to make responsible progress by preserving the biota. We adhere strictly to our mission statements and focus on optimum utilization of resources for the benefit of the society. Sustainable in the fields of water, energy and food, we understand that we have room for improvement and is implementing new projects. Let's take a tour through the ongoing projects in CMS. The Rewild Project is one of our signature projects that focuses on preserving and restoring our ecology. CMS intends to be a model for people to visualize what a transition towards a more sustainable future can look like. CMS is the habitat of 560 species of plants, among which around 70 are endangered species. Hence, the first phase of the Rewild Project was planting new varieties. Around 400 new trees and plants were brought into the campus, out of which 200 are new species. By planting more trees, we aim to restore the nature, repair damaged ecosystems, and mitigate climate changes. It gives us immense pleasure to say that after the first phase, we are now home to more than 750 species of plants. We have an organic farm within the campus that sprawls over an acre of land, from where we are producing the adequate amount of vegetables for our hostels and canteen. Avoiding the use of artificial fertilizers, pesticides and genetically modified organisms, we focus on protecting the soil fertility for future food production. The dry leaves compost for effective waste management is one of the most rewarding green practices that we follow. Leaves, easily turned into protective mulch, are extremely beneficial to the soil and is used for organic farming. We also have in-house facilities headed by the Department of Chemistry to check the quality of the soil. Combined efforts of the Botany and Chemistry departments ensure the organic growth of the plants and vegetables. The second phase of the Rewild Project is the QR coding of the Flora. The college uses QR codes on local plant species to help conserve them and impart knowledge to the student community about each species. Along with the digitization of the floristic diversity, the heritage buildings of the campus are also being QR coded. In the case of energy, 33% of the entire campus is already functioning on solar energy. Our total requirement of 300 kilowatts will be met by the ongoing projects, which we are hoping to commission by November this year. The street lights in the campus also run on solar power. Thus, we are all set to be totally energy sustainable by the end of the year. Water is at the core of sustainable development and is critical for socio-economic development, healthy ecosystems, and for human survival itself. The college well is a perennial source of water and provides enough drinking water for more than 3,000 people in the community. With a vision of reducing the consumption of groundwater, we also focus on recharging and rainwater harvesting. Meticulous efforts are being taken to ensure the cleanliness and purity of water. In-house facilities to analyze the quality of water is conducted every 6 months to maintain safety. We also offer water testing as a consultancy service. CMS College, as a cradle of biodiversity, cherishes its rich flora and fauna. The carefully protected acres of abundant and diverse vegetation is home to different species of mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. The butterfly garden in the college is a visual pleasure, adding colors to the campus. We understand the role of butterflies in perpetuating native plant species. With a larger vision of turning the whole campus into a botanical garden, 150 species of plants to attract more butterflies are newly planted. As part of the Rewild Project, open and well-situated bird baths are placed in every corner of the campus to make it a natural abode of several bird species and to help the student community engage in bird-watching program and bird survey. Practical training is extended to students in apiculture, vermiculture, waste management and aquarium management to inculcate earn while learn culture among students. We take pride in the fact that we are able to balance digitalization and sustainability. We resort to our own IT cell for all our digital needs, and we have developed softwares to manage admissions, examinations, attendance, fee payments, etc. We also have a dedicated server for hosting our web applications. We have not left any stone unturned to adapt to the times, be it in terms of the pandemic situation or the demands of the new age. We designed a studio within the campus to create e-content of production quality. We made our own model of the light board to deliver the lectures, overcoming the barriers created by the pandemic. The lectures recorded on the light board are published on the official YouTube channel of the college. The educational theatre in CMS to promote smart learning and teaching is one of its kind. Intending to make online education more accessible, the theatre has facilities for video conferencing and live classes. We have a news channel and the college news reaches the community through the same. The teleprompter to aid the news reading was built in the college. The vast campus of CMS is now GPS enabled, making it easy for people to navigate. All these steps towards sustainability and to be a model to live in harmony with nature was rewarded with the Green Champion Award. Our principal, Dr. Verghese Joshua, received the award from the Kottayam District Collector. The flora, fauna, and people coexist here in a deep ecological spirit, embracing nature in all its beauty.